I'm Kirsten. I'm the Director of Sky Plan Management. We're an NDIS plan management provider. We started out roughly about 2 years ago. I'd had experience in plan management previously, but I really wanted to go out on my own and give it a try. I started off with 0 clients, and I really was passionate about what I was doing, and I knew that we had a really good quality service that we could provide participants under the NDIS. So I sort of trying to market our business myself, and I built us a little website, and I paid some money for Google ads and stuff like that, which wasn't really getting us anywhere. So I'm no expert when it comes to that sort of thing. So I thought I really do need somebody professional to build our website. So I started out just looking around locally. So we're Geelong based primarily, but I was looking around Geelong, Melbourne region for a provider that could build us a really good website. Shortlisted a few different providers, but the guys that make my website, just their proposal and the way they communicated with me, it felt right. So I went ahead and got them to build our website, and it was fantastic. We got together and I explained to them that the nature of what we do is not limited by geography. So we were actually able to provide plan management Australia-wide. So they started off by getting me to hone in on different geographical areas within Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. So that's how we all started off, and they went ahead and built that site. Which is a fantastic site, by the way. It's really user-friendly, both on mobile and on PC. And the next step was I started hearing about this thing called SEO, where your website will come up more often in people's Google searches. And so I sort of read up a little bit about it myself, and it was way too over my head and too technical for me. So Make My Website actually offered me a proposal to work on that on a monthly basis. And so I said, yep, we'll give that a try and see how we go. It takes a little time for it to kick in, so probably about 3 or 4 months in, I started noticing all of these new Join Now requests. So we've got a little form on our website that people can fill out, submit, so I can contact them and talk to them about signing up with us. So yeah, about 3 or 4 months in, we're sort of, these new Join Now submissions just start flowing in, and they're flowing in not just from local or Victoria, but from New South Wales, Queensland, all over those key areas that we had decided to focus on. And yeah, it was just mind-blowing how quickly that actually happened. And you know, we're nearly 2 years in now since all this happened, and we're averaging somewhere between about 20 and 30 new participants per month that sign up with us. And it's seriously, it's all down to what the guys at Make My Website have done for us. And the website build, the SEO, every month they will send us a really detailed report to show us how we are actually ranking in all the different areas. And look, it's probably the best decision I've ever made ever since we started up this business. I absolutely highly recommend that anybody looking at building a website, A, get some assistance to get it built properly, and B, the most important thing is you need a really good company getting onto that SEO for you, so that you're ranking when people search for that particular service. You're up there, and you're up there. You know, we show up in those Google searches high up with very large competitors, other plan managers, and we're going great guns because of the decision to take on board the service of Make My Website, and it's been absolutely awesome, and we're not going anywhere. We're going to stick with these guys for the long term, absolutely.